sweetest music to echo through the skies of Canada. That's the roar of the Harvards. The Royal Canadian Air Force flew these aircraft. Today, the Canadian Harvard Aircraft Association brings that roar, that noise, the yellow peril to you. Of course, people learned how to fly on aircraft such as the Tiger Moth, but then they moved on to the Harvard, or as the Americans called it, the T-6, or the SNJ if you happen to be a Navy fan. And the Harvard was the advanced single-engine trainer for more than 130,000 aircrew.
A good trainer is a plane that maybe is a little difficult to fly and requires your full attention at all times. And the Harvard is an aircraft that you better not forget about what you're doing until you're stopped. My name's Norm Beckham. I'm from Woodstock, Ontario, and I lead a lot of the formations in the Canadian Harvard Aircraft Association. We're particularly proud of the markings, and you probably will never see another Harvard on the field here painted like this one, but this is the way it was with 3222, the original serial number aircraft, and the buzz number. That was for the farmer to, so he could phone the base and say who went by, just went by the barn.
When the roar of these airplanes echoed through the skies across Canada, here they come, the Canadian Harvards in the Canada Goose.
Formation is doing a Canada Goose formation with 7 ships, and I'm the lead. I'm the head of the goose, and then I pull out and I go into an aerobatic sequence, and this indicates a roll and a half Cuban 8, and then a 4-point roll on the way back out. And I don't try to keep it all in my head. I try to have it on paper, and that's my little reminders of what's next.
Listen to that roar. The distinctive sound of the Harvard aircraft comes from that 9-foot Hamilton Standard propeller, coupled to 600 horses made by Pratt & Whitney.
And it's very simple aerobatics that the student pilots did when they flew the Harvard.
This is our down and dirty pass, a double Vic coming across stage from right to left. Here they come, the Canadian Harvard Aircraft Association. Precision and discipline on display in the Arrow.
Probably it's fair to say that formation flying is the most demanding form of flying there is, because there at no point is there 2 seconds to relax. You have to fly all the time, and you must pay attention, and it is a demanding but again rewarding experience, and it is a thrill to be able to demonstrate and fly the Harvard aircraft as it was in 1941.
And ladies and gentlemen, look to your right. One of the few places in the country where you will see this many T-6s, SNJs, and Harvards all in the air together. Listen to the sound of power. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our big diamond formation of T-6s, Harvards, and SNJs. A signature of the Wings of Eagles Air Show, the T-6 formation flyby.